slow down. You shouldn't have let off the gas there, buddy.
Shouldn't have let off the gas there, buddy.
A jet on wheels. Hey, that thing flew by. I thought I had a chance because we was in a Lambo today. Hey, what you got done to that, man?
Hey, just enough forces. I was the tool to enough.
Man, that don't sound like no tool, man. Lambo, what? Oh, I'm about to go get in my cat. Hit it. Let's go, hit it. Oh, I'm about to go get, oh, come on, hit that joint. Let's go. I'm about to go get in the cat. Hold up. There go the boys up there. Let's slow it down. Woo-hoo-hoo. That was fun. Oh, that was fun. Let's go. TJ back there. TJ in the cut. We horse playing in traffic today, y'all. Oh my God. Okay, let me pass this up. So when I pass this up, it's a wrap. Oh, it's a wrap. Let me see what you got, gang. These things up. I ain't gonna hold you, that shit fun. Nigga sliding them cats, boy. I'm about to go get him off. Hey, where you think you going, sir? Where you think you got a Hellcat? I got a Lambo though. Where you think you going, sir? Literally. I'm about to hawk you. Trust me, I am. Oh, I was catching up. You better slow down. Come on now. Come on now. Shouldn't have let off the gas there, buddy. You shouldn't have let off the gas there, buddy. Come on, gang. Where you at, gang? Where you at, man? Come on, I'm waiting for that Hellcat. Come on. Got the Popo over there. We in Mexico. We got the Popo over there. don't want no smoking that regular wide body. Now this one ain't regular. You know, everything regular, but this one ain't regular. So I could breathe. I can get some air up in this joint. Oh my goodness. Lambos and Hellcats. It is a movie, I swear to you. I'm about to go get my Hellcat right now. Oh man, they horse playing today in them cats though. They for sure horse playing in them cats, man. We got that thing or that thing or the thing. It's up. Slide, boy. Oh, I hear it. I heard it. It says, I'm like, I hear it on my left side. I ain't see it, but I heard it for sure. We got them things out. That's right. Yeah, that part, huh? Horse playing. Horse playing. Ah. Horse playing today. Horse playing today. That's how you feeling?
Motherfucker, a jet.
Hey.
A jet on wheels.
Hey, that thing flew by. I thought I had a chance because we was in a Lambo today.
Yes.
But that Hellcat real fast, man.
Hey, that Hellcat so serious.
Hey, what you got done to that, man?
Hey, just a little Coreyssg. I was a little tool to a little.
Man, that don't sound like no tool, man. Hey, man, why he cheating, y'all? Hey, that shit was hella fun, though.
That shit, hey, I told you, I said it's just a regular living, man. It's a regular day of life.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Damn, the motherfuckers is back. Yes, sir. Got that thing pulling on in, man. Y'all see what's going on. Oh, the
Man, my
ooh.
stomach hurt a little bit.
Your stomach hurt? Oh, dying.
I see. They want to see you go to the emergency side.
Oh, it was a wrap.
Shit.
It was a wrap.
Yeah.
It was a wrap, that's for sure. Bro, I swear you had me about to go get my Hellcat too.
Man, guess what I told that nigga? I said, I know my shoe got all tight. As long as I my toes over here.
I got scared when I seen that truck pull out in front of
I
y'all.
seen him. I said, look at this clown here, man.
said,
Pull out in front of me. My brake's good. That's what you see. Like I just tap.
No,
it.
for sure.
Let me tell you something. How to slow your car down without hitting on brakes all the time.
Damn shit.
Downshift?
Shift the hell out that motherfucker.
Downshift. For sure. Hey, that was fun. I ain't gonna hold you. I felt like Fast and Furious in real life. Who you gonna be? Vin Diesel? O'Connor? Who you want?
We ain't did this in so long.
Tyrese right here?
That shit, yo.
Hey, man, we out in them cats tomorrow. That's for sure.
Man, imagine your daytime doing this.
That's what I'm saying. It's up.
Outside slide. I got you right here, boy. Look.
It's going up, huh?
Man, you can't pass her doing a. I said, this nigga here crazy, man.
I'm fucking dying.
Man, shit, I died. You talking about you dying? Nigga, I died.
Hey, that's funny, man. I'm dying. That is hilarious. Yeah, y'all see what's going on with the vroom vroom tactics. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Y'all see what it is, man. It's a
Respectfully.
movie. Respectfully, huh?
There you go. You gotta hit it with the respect.
Right, huh? Look, it's up.
Respectfully.
Hey, man, y'all see what's going on?